Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download Groupon application on your Android device. The process is quite easy, so let's jump right into the video. Open up your Play Store to get started. Into the search box at the top, type in Groupon and search. Once you find this application that says Groupon Deals and Coupons from Groupon Inc., tap on the install button and begin downloading the application for your Android device. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed, and once it is, tap on the open button to launch open Groupon application for your Android phone. So that is how you can easily download and install Groupon for Android. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.